What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video here on Bitcoin. Your daily updates. This is the first day that we will hopefully have some more normal markets and right now it's starting pretty good. As you can see right here, we actually have some more sustainable leverage coming in my opinion. The volume across the market is actually, slowly going up, but the volume for Bitcoin is still $31 billion. It's quite low, right? So over the course of today, we will see more volume kick in. Yesterday, the stock markets in the US was also closed. So that's opening again today. So that will provide us with quite a lot of volatility, or at least capital inflow as well. But like I said, so far so good, and that's also good because someone yesterday commented that my last Bitcoin analysis were not too good. But I'm not sure how you come to that conclusion, because for the last week, this is exactly what I've said, all right? What I've said in the last week is that there is a lot of bearish pressure, like especially during the US session, and that's also something we'll talk about in this video, because that's, I would say, the most important thing today, and we have some news today as well, so that kind of plays into that. But what I always said is that I think it's most likely we'll be able to hold 92,000, and that we'll be able to get some sort of a move into 97, 98, 99,000. And that still has to be done, right? I mean, at the moment, we're at 95,800. A good start, I would say, but we're definitely not there yet. So that is something we'll have to see over the course of today. But like I said, so far, it looks pretty good. I mean, 92,000 is, in general, that's a strong support level, right? I mean, it's been defended very, very well now for already 2 weeks, almost. So it's been defended well, and then right now what you're seeing is that we had a couple of bull traps, I think, in the last week when you take a look at these moves, where we had basically in a matter of 1, 2, 3 hours, we had a lot of leverage coming in, and then that got fully retraced. But now you actually see that we're getting some more sustainable leverage coming in, right? And this is leverage which I don't really mind. Now the story though is, and that's what's most important over the course of today. The story is that for the last week and a half or something, the US session has been incredibly bearish. So here you can see the Coinbase Bitcoin price, that's trading at a massive discount. But also if you take a look at the stock markets, usual, by the way, doing very well, amazing coin. But if you look at the stock markets, they've fallen quite a lot, especially in the last week as well. So if that continues over the course of today, this might look good, but then this could still turn into a bull trap. So that is what I think the most important thing is today, and that is also what I will keep you updated on. But right now, like if you take a look at that Coinbase Bitcoin price, you can see the discount is also dropping down, and we're moving towards potentially a premium. So the only thing left that we have to get is a relatively strong stock market. And I do think that's the most likely scenario as well. I mean, we have massive support here for the S&P 500. And we do have some new, and the dollar strength index is also quite, well, it was dropping down. Not anymore, excuse me. But no, we have some news as well today, which is going to matter with the initial jobless claims and continuing jobless claims. If these are higher than expected, dollar strength index will drop down, and S&P 500 is most likely going to at least find support. And if you combine the S&P 500 no longer exerting that bearish pressure on crypto, which we had in the last week and a half, if you combine that with the strength that we're seeing right now and the strength overall that we've seen around 92,000 for the last week, I think this is most likely. All right, so I think ultimately this is most likely. I've been saying this for a week. I still believe this. So far, it's been correct. But this is, even though I think it's most likely, it is slightly dependent on the S&P 500 or stock markets in the US to at least hold their own. All right, so that's what we'll see. I'll keep you updated on that as well, of course. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.